Everybody say yeah? Oh, we're gonna keep it rolling, baby. I want everybody to shake it. If you want to stand up, shake it in your seat. It's your thing. And I can't tell you who to sell it to, but I'll buy it.
We made it. We're hiking Hallasan, and it was quite the hassle because there's no parking. We woke up super early, got here plenty of time, but because no parking, we had to go to another lot. We almost made it to that lot and then got confused, so we turned back, went back to the lot officially, got a taxi, and had to go all the way up, and now we're here. Worked out, we're hiking.
You've got to see it through.
I want to go on that.
And no, darling, baby. Darling, baby. Darling, baby. Darling,
Civilization.
I think it likes the color white.
It was on your back. I got it on video.
Oh my god. Oh, it's right here. Not today.
What did you say? That was not like a female voice.
So racist.
About ourselves today, team, when we summited the mountain.
We are quitters. Dun 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 dun.
So we went here, and then we went all the way up there. The pain should be over.
I didn't think we could do it.
That's so stupid. I'm like, they just put every sign on the building So Jeju-si is the 25th largest city in all of Korea, and it feels like it. It is really, really big, and as you can tell, loud cars are back. Editing Michael here. I was walking to 7-Eleven to get Kai another hangover helper. Is it for free?
Yeah.
After all that, I didn't get like
They
the
have
same,
the
like,
same
if
policy.
it's your friend. I was
Yeah.
like, what?
So we got 3 Reese's Pieces according to Alicia because Kai didn't order anything. So we're trying to figure out because I look like a celebrity. It's good. That was actually a good cup of joe. I haven't had a good, decent coffee in a couple of days because everything here is really good. So.
Sounds nothing like that. It's so funny.
Hamdeok Beach.
Hamdeok Beach.
Hamdeok?
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 Beach?
Yep.
And Jejuing
Oh,
out.
you can borrow towels.
Oh,
3,000.
3,000.
후다 boy 수많은 사람 속 눈에 띈 무심한 그 표정
Think of the water.
I love it here. It's so pretty. It's so warm.
I like that 내 호기심을 자극하지 어색한 스타일인가 even 것은 신경 쓴 듯 안 쓴 듯 거침없는 말투 I like that 외면해 봐도 끌려 도도한 나 웃게 하잖아 알잖아 요즘 내가 나 보는 시선 너도 느껴봐 홀린 날 따라와 모두 한 오해 너도 애틋하게도 난 한번 내일을 해볼까 너무 쉽게 놓지마 재미없잖아 여기서 밀고 당겨볼까 시작할게 bad boy down 지금부터 bad boy down
To see the ocean and the sun.
Yeah. And the ocean here is so pretty.
I almost fell.
잠깐 이리 와봐 너에게만 할 말이 있어 가까이 좀 와 고개 숙여 귀를 낮춰봐 다른 건 신경 쓰지 마내 목소리에 집중해 상황은 좀 달라져 주위를 맴도는 내가 궁금해 너도 알게 될 거야 알 거야 이미 늦어버렸단 걸 맞아 사실게 나 자신 있어 나 지는 게임하진 않아 벌써 반쯤은 넘어왔잖아 홀린 그날 따라와 모두 한 오해
That's pretty good. That was good.
너무 쉽게 놓지마 재미없잖아 여기서 밀고 당겨볼까 시작할게 bad boy down 혼란스러운 맘이겠지 상상조차 못할 거야 헤어나려 노력해도 어떤 작은 틈도 없어 뒷밥은 좀 계속 있어 자연스럽게 난 따라와 난 널 선택했어 이미 날 따라와 모두 한 오해 말했지 왜만 항상 같아 내가 또 이겼어 너무 쉽게 놓지마 재미없잖아 이제 넌 손댈 수 없어 내게 쉽지 bad boy down
Looked down to my bed, shivers in my head. I was something different, I was something different. You were something different in my head. I down to the 3, back down to the 3. Something inside me, something inside me, my brain. get on my head, but you was not for me. So I kissed all my tears. So I true was, true was, true was, true was what you were, what you were from my head.
Say hello. Hello. Say hello.
Hello?
To the audience.
Hello, audience.
We're picking up some Japanese food close to our place. Whoa. Whoa. Japanese apricot juice. That was delightful. So, none of us spoke each other's language, but it ended up working out great. We just used a translator app and just politeness, and she was super cute and nice to us, and it was a really great time. Our meal was fantastic, everything about it, and yeah, I'm extremely satisfied. And she gave us a little rosemary perfume at the very end for no reason.
Handmade.
Yeah.